Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw the legendary character Marshmallow from Stumble Guys. Let's start with his nose shape, sort of almost a rounded triangle. And then he's got his mouth line coming this way and his mouth line coming that way. I'm going to draw his eye, so he's got his eye there and his eye here. Same sort of size. Hope you guys can follow along and have some fun. Eye patch. Another eye patch. I hope you guys love Stumble Guys and I hope you're enjoying the video. If you do like the videos that I am doing, make sure you hit the like button. It helps me help more people. Makes my channel grow a bit better. I'd really appreciate that. And the reason I started with the details is because I've got to put the head in the right spot now. So the head's going to go up and it comes around and goes in and out ever so slightly and comes back around like this, and then comes out here and there's a bit more of a space there, back up and around like that. There's his head. Now he looks a bit funny because he doesn't have his ear on. There's one ear, there's another ear, and they're a bit grey, just like the patches around his eye. And then he's got a bit of hair there, and it looks like he's got some sort of cap on the back. So I'm just going to bring that around like so. And remember, when we add colour, looks way better. Now he's got a cool hoodie on. What a legend. Legendary Marshmallow. Okay, so it's going to come curving down. So directly underneath his nose is where it comes back around like this. That's the top part of his hoodie. And this is like the bit that comes in here and around like so. Now you can see his neck. His neck comes in there and in here. Now he's got one little bit tangling down, you know, the pull cords on you to tighten it up, and another one. Now he's got a arm coming out like this. Puff that out, put a bit of a line there. Now he's got the cuff of his jacket, then he's got his hand, typical Stumble Guys hand, that side. On the other side we've got less arm because he's more side on, so I always start with that part of the arm and then I bring where it meets the body. Now this comes across and down, so directly underneath there, line that up, and it comes back around, and this is like the bottom part of the hoodie. I actually like wearing hoodies, and I love wearing hoodies with the pockets at the front like he's got on. You can put your hands in there when you get a bit cold. Okay, there's the cuff on his hand, and then this is his hand, like that. Now he's got a leg. You see a bit of a white bit here that comes across, and a bit coming around like that. So that's all white in there. Now let's draw his leg. This one's a bit more front on. 1, 2, 3 toes comes in and then out like that. And then this one here is more side on. So 1, 2, 3 toes like this, and then it kicks out like that. Let's just fix that toe up there. Just going to go out around him in a thicker line.